So they did What Are the Odds? I don't know if you guys ever played, but I lost, and I had to try to one throat this thing.
There's gonna be a lot of followers and viewers watching this right now.
With oh god.
Salivate a
You're
little.
gonna get. Yo, what's up? It's Frost and Ken. Welcome to Merienda. It's where we get to eat a lot of stuff while also talking about the latest trends, topics, anything we want. Today we're gonna be talking about the most popular show right now on Netflix. It's called Love is Blind. First time watching this. Yeah. You ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
So today we got Jollibee. We got the chicken, fried chicken, spicy of course. Got the gravy, classic gravy, the classic spaghetti, the chicken sandwich, the yum burger, some rice, and some peach mango pie. I'm ready to dig in.
Okay, no more talking.
Yeah, fuck talking. Yeah, fuck talking. Just gonna, excuse me here. Let me just try this real quick.
Show it to the camera, dude, like Kwang.
Kwang Train.
Oh my god. Yeah, slurp. Isn't it like customary in Japan, grid,
You can't slurp.
that you can slurp?
Grid, show yourself. Show yourself. Grid Davi eating some chicken.
A production assistant.
Let's go. So yeah, what have you heard about this show, Love is Blind?
What have I heard? I've watched it. Sorry.
Damn. Oh, Nicholas Shea.
Yeah, the Lachey couple.
So what is it about? Since you've seen it.
Love is Blind. So, it's blind. Mainly, they're trying to test whether, like, you don't have to see someone, how attractive they are, their social status, how rich they are, and it's basically all just about talking. So, if you have the gift of gab,
What if you don't? What if it's just awkward?
then they don't pick you. But from what I saw though, almost everyone here is attractive, so it's not that fun. So I feel like wouldn't it be better if like a really attractive person got attracted to like someone that wasn't attractive?
That would be a true test. I don't think I could do it. Would you sign up for the show?
But I think I would. For the fame.
Oh, they're all famous now?
So we have a dilemma here. You took 2 forks.
Oh, no, I didn't take this one. I just Do you have a favorite couple?
The interracial couple, Cameron and I forgot her name, but she's black and he's white.
Oh,
And they fell in love without even seeing each other.
that's awesome. I mean, that's dumb. Oh, that's cool. So what if you don't talk? You just literally sit in a room the whole time?
You went to the other rooms of different people.
Oh, and you can talk to other people,
Yeah.
and kind of like see how they're doing.
Yeah. I don't know if you do this, but I like to save the skin for the end of my chicken.
It's good trying.
No, the skin's the best part.
I
Is
just
it
go
like
for
speed dating?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
like speed dating.
Yeah.
Who's the hottest?
Where's this girl? Hold on, I can see her.
Wait, they have to get married without even
Oh yeah,
just right off the bat?
they're gonna get married no, they eventually see each other. But then they get married within, I think, like 30 days or something of this whole thing.
No way. Would you do it? After that, you have to be married to him?
Uh-huh.
That's ruining marriage, man. No, I'm kidding. I don't really care.
And I mean, I guess it does because of the sanctity of marriage.
Yeah. Let's try the yum burger with the cheese. Let go. There's something different about Jolli Burgers, and it's kind of like weird tasting, but it's like good. You want to try this burger, bro?
This is what I'm excited about. Because I think they just came out with this chicken sandwich during the Popeyes and Chick-fil-A beef. So let's see. It looks good. Let's see how it is.
Lily Mae.
How do you feel about all these love shows that are on Netflix now? Because isn't there another one, the 90 Day something?
No. 90 Day Fiance is on TLC.
Oh.
That's a good show though.
How do you feel about all these love shows that are like quick marriages?
It makes me feel lonely. I'm still lonely.
I think the marriage one, like this one, when Kenny said it ruins like the sanctity, is that what you said?
Yeah, sanctity, man.
Of marriage.
Like, it's not as serious.
And
The
they're
other
out
one's
there.
90 days though.
That one's actually real. That's a process that they go through.
Because it's really in order to get a visa.
So let's say Kenny meets a girl in a
Or guy. Or
meets
guy.
a girl or guy in, I don't know, let's name a random place like Sweden. And she needs to come over here. He or she needs to come over here for 90 days. They have to.
Within 90 days, we'd have to get married in order for her to stay here.
Way different from talking to someone through a room, and you have to marry them in 30 days.
But is that not true love?
It could be.
Because you're blind.
Mm-hmm.
You're
That's
not. You're not attracted to someone.
That's the whole
based
thing.
on-
That's the whole thing.
That's the whole thing. It's an experiment. They're
Gotcha.
trying to figure out if it is love or not. By the way, this chicken sandwich compared to Popeyes and Chick-fil-A, it sucks.
Really?
It's first of all, it's not spicy. It's just buttery. It's not bad, but even I think
I tried about yours.
yeah,
No, I want to bite his.
You want to get sick?
Is it the same one? I
yeah
thought
it's the exact same thing.
I want to get.
Oh, it's not good.
It lacks flavor.
Popeyes.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like just a chicken sandwich from like a 7-Eleven in Asia.
Yeah.
Like a very flavorless.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What he said.
Sorry, Asia. Actually, let me see what this tastes like right here. It's like we're not even in the show anymore. We're just like,
Yeah, forget the show. Let's just talk about love. Speaking of love, I wrote a book called Tea League. Shameless plug. About love. Or lack thereof
right.
in my life, you know? Again, lack thereof.
I mean, yeah, I read it. There's like a line that I'm like really hooked on in the book. He said that I think I'm more handsome than him.
They're gonna get confused by that.
Why?
I think the book's on the table.
Oh, is it?
Thanks, Grid.
That's great.
Keely.
Keely. Anyways,
I really don't know how they do mukbangs. I'm just eating.
we're just eating. I don't know if we're supposed to show it to the camera like what we're eating. Oh, chicken. Oh, but anyways, what's going on in the show right now? Oh, so they're talking.
Oh, but wait, Frost, are you in love?
Am I in love?
Yeah.
I'm so in love, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Tell us about it. Tell us about her or him.
Her name's Alex. Oh, cool, okay. I met her on Tinder, actually. But we knew each other kind of before.
College.
But we, yeah, met each other on Tinder and, yeah, I mean, we moved out
They're doing their thing.
and we're doing our thing. I mean, we're just living life. Do you have any questions on me since you don't have any love in you? Do you want to know the secrets? Because I have none.
How long have you guys been together?
Over a year, coming up on 2 years, May 11th.
Oh wow, he knows the exact date.
I know
2
exactly.
years, huh? That
2
quick?
years. Yeah.
Hey, Grid.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to drink? Like water.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. I totally didn't think about this.
Yeah, 2 years.
It's impressive.
And honestly, our first date was kind of like this. No, wait, no, it's not. We went to like a noisy bar, and she couldn't hear me what I was saying. So it was just like awkward fist bumps. Like I would give fist bumps and just,
Didn't you say that you guys didn't even like each other after the first date?
Yeah, I didn't.
You thought there wouldn't even be a second date.
Yeah, I even told you that, I think. And I said like, I don't think it's gonna work out. But then we came back together and we actually had a good date. And then our first kiss was our second date, and everything was there. It was just like a feeling you get, and it just seemed right. Like I moved out with her. We were only like what, I think 6 months in dating. Maybe everyone, that's like a red flag for people, but it wasn't for me. What is that?
Surprise guest mukbang.
Just giving you guys water.
Great coming in clutch.
And then
Production
this
assistant.
Portos.
Oh my
I
god.
see there's 3.
Show the camera, show the camera.
Perfect. Oh, Porto's cheese rolls, famous.
Where's Portos from?
Cuba.
You.
Glendale.
But yeah, it's been a journey. It's been a journey. Is this Cameron?
Oh, this is them, yes.
This is your favorite couple?
Yeah.
Why are they your favorite couple?
Because they're the first ones that fell in love. And then they meet each other eventually.
Come out. They fell in love.
Or they say that they fell in love within talking.
That's weird.
And then,
I don't buy it.
yeah, I mean, it's reality TV.
Yeah.
What do you think if I joined a reality TV show like this? How do you think I would fare?
What did you do great?
You think I would be acting? I think I would act a little bit.
I think you should, to be a character, but in your own way. Because they all act. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something about that. So essentially, it's kind of like talking to a person over the phone. If you think about it.
And but you don't
And
see
you've
them
never
at
met
all.
them.
And you don't see them at
And you
all.
don't see them what they look like.
Like no social
So
media,
you're
nothing.
saying you can fall in love with a person just talking to her over the phone.
It's like those sex hotlines.
Yeah.
Yeah, except
Yeah.
love instead of sex.
Oh, love and sex. Do you go on those sex hotlines, Ken?
I'm not gonna lie.
You know, when money's tight, I usually
I'm
do.
not gonna lie. When I was younger,
You went on one?
because 8 Crazy Nights, they had this scene where it's like 1-800-boobies, and I called once, and it was like, welcome to something boobies something, and it's like, you want to get naughty? Pay this much. I didn't pay, but I just.
You just got naughty.
He's probably the best looking one, I think.
I didn't do that. Who, this girl?
Yeah, I forgot her name. Show her name again.
I don't know about that laugh.
You don't like a snort?
I don't think snorts are sexy. I think it's. No, I'm kidding. I don't think it's anything. Like it doesn't. You know, there's nothing there.
Yeah, I don't know why I keep eating this. I feel like I just have to finish it,
I think I'm just eating it to finish it.
but it's really not good.
It's not good at all. No, I'm not gonna finish it. Look at it. I'm not gonna finish it. Ugh. I'm going ham on the chicken though. Jollibee chicken, number 1. Excuse me. Number 2. Wait,
No, number
have
one.
you ever had churches?
No, number 1 in the world. Thailand.
Let's talk about chains though. If we're talking about
Churches, is that good?
It's up there, number 2. For me, it goes Popeyes,
Oh, okay.
churches,
Jollibee.
Jollibee, KFC. Like I don't like KFC.
I like El Comparo.
I've never had
Oh,
that.
no, El Compadre, whatever that place is
El
called.
Comparo.
Oh yeah, that one's good.
That one's like El Pollo Loco.
Whoa, I'm gonna go that low.
Just saying.
How about Roscoe's?
Oh, Roscoe's is good.
Roscoe's good.
But it's not it's different, you know?
Yeah.
Different price range.
It's not like these kind of places.
Like a fast food chain.
Yeah. Roscoe's is like top of the line, upper. We should have like. We should have something smaller than this next time.
Yeah.
Like the glazed. The glazed, yeah, from KFC. That'd be a good one.
So you guys just gonna do a fried chicken series first then?
No.
Oh wait, yeah, maybe we should do something different.
Just really push it.
Let's do salad next.
Hi, this is turkey burgers.
No, let's do a straight vegan meal.
Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah, that'd be cool. But like weird vegan stuff. Like cheese.
Like
It's not cheese, it's like almond.
Well, you guys can go to Monty's.
Oh yeah.
Dude, everyone's telling me about Monty's.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's expensive though.
But it's all vegan.
Yeah.
Do you taste like a hint of fruit in here or something? Like mango?
Maybe. I mean, it is supposed to be a little sweet.
But I don't like it. I like Lola's spaghetti.
By the time we're done eating all this food, Breed's couch might be broken.
You want this last chicken?
No, you got it.
Do you want this last chicken?
No.
You looked at it like, no.
I know. I'm already full from that personally.
I don't know how people do these mukbangs.
What are you dipping it in?
Gravy.
Oh, I don't think I've ever tried it with gravy.
What do you think they're writing down whenever they have those notebooks? Like this
They're writing notes of like this.
of them.
This girl is.
This girl snorts when she fucking
laughs.
well,
Sorry, guys. I have allergies.
I just don't see like I want to look up, are they still together? Like these couples.
I don't think you can. Or now you probably can.
Cause like I feel like relationships go deeper than like just like, oh, I love this person because I'm talking to him, but it goes deeper than that. Like
I mean, that's what they're trying. That's what they're trying. That's what they're trying to prove. I mean, no, they see each other after,
oh
but they're already engaged by then.
oh shoot, really?
So the first time they see each other, they're engaged.
Oh my gosh. That's scary. Has there been one where it's like,
No,
and then like they look at him and they're just like, oh,
no.
ooh.
Maybe there was, but they didn't show it.
And it'll be one of those like, oh my god, you're so beautiful. Like you're such a beautiful person.
There's ones where there's
That's
like,
it. Just like you're beautiful.
there's a couple, Jessica and Mark,
Mm-hmm.
where she's like 10 years older than him,
Mm-hmm.
and then she originally wanted someone else,
Mm-hmm.
but then that guy went to another girl,
Okay.
and then so she basically did a backup plan with Mark.
Mm-hmm.
And Mark knows he's the backup plan, but he still went with it,
Really?
which is dumb. I'm like, I would never, if I'm second choice with someone, why would I even do that?
Right. Know your worth.
And then when they see each other, they act like they're attracted, but then when they go to like, they do this not honeymoon, like a vacation with everyone in Mexico. Is it Mexico? I forget. But anyways, they don't have sex or anything like that. There's no like physical attraction at first, and it kind of sucks. Like the chemistry looks way off.
Damn. That sucks. And you have to marry that person. What are the odds you just shove this whole piece
In my mouth,
in your mouth?
1 in 5.
3, 2, 1.
2. Woo! We should end the mukbang like that.
God.
Him just shoving the whole
Well,
thing.
let me finish my chicken.
Yo, thanks for joining us on Merienda. Happens every Monday. I'm Frost, and this is Ken, and he's about to shove this whole pie in his mouth. Oh, that's good though, right?
Kaina.